Welcome back to See My Review, your go-to spot for unboxings and honest reviews. Today we've got something special, one of the cleanest, most stylish sneakers out there. We're unboxing the Jordan 4 Retro Pure Money. And stick around because I'll also tell you about an amazing sale happening right now where you can grab a pair for yourself. The link to the website and all the details are in the description, so make sure to check it out. Let's dive in, let's open up the box and see what we've got. Opens box. Just look at this beauty. The Jordan 4 Retro Pure Money is the definition of fresh. It features a premium, all-white leather upper, and those chrome eyelets give it that extra touch of luxury. First released in 2005 and brought back in 2017, this sneaker is a must-have for any Jordan fan or sneakerhead. The Jumpman logo on the heel and tongue completes the clean, minimalistic look. Honestly, this pair screams premium quality and timeless style. Let's talk about why these kicks are worth your attention. First off, the comfort level is top-notch. The air sole unit in the heel and forefoot makes every step feel cushioned and responsive. Whether you're rocking them on the streets or just adding them to your sneaker collection, these Jordans will keep your feet feeling great. Plus, the high-quality leather means durability. You won't have to worry about them wearing out too soon. And let's be real, an all-white sneaker like this one, it's the ultimate flex for any outfit. Whether you go casual or dress it up, these Jordans bring that fresh, clean aesthetic. I know you're wondering, where can you get your hands on these? Well, I've got some great news. There's a limited time sale happening right now, and you can grab your pair at an awesome discount. The website link is in the video description, so make sure to check it out before sizes start selling out. And if you have any questions, all the contact details, social media links, and additional websites are also listed down below. Just scroll down, hit that link, and secure your pair before it's too late. What do you think about the Jordan 4 Retro Pure Money? Are these a must-cop or a drop? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on future sneaker reviews and deals. Thanks for watching. See my review, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.